Let's see how you can easily convert your website visitors into leads and sales using a simple chat widget automation. And here we learn how it actually handles the support inquiries using the AI and collect and send lead information to pipelines. So here, if you go to the demo account right here, so here we have created a pipeline as well. So if you go to the pipelines, here you can track different stages of a specific lead. So let me open this particular solar lead. So here we are going to actually build an AI chatbot for the solar company. So here, yeah, we have different stages: lead, code send, and client. So we are going to see how this actually works, and so notify agents of new leads so that they can jump in and talk with them as well. And also we can also transfer the conversation to the human agents when needed as well. We are going to see a demo of an AI chatbot we built for this specific solar company called as Sunmax Solar Solutions. So here we have gathered all the information about that specific business over here, including the services, frequently asked question, and also the contact information as well. And we are also going to collect these details from a particular customer when they're actually interested in installing a solar service or request a code as well. So here we have already created the AI chatbot right here. So here, if you go to the flow section, here we have created two flows. One is for the welcome message. So here, when we install a chat widget on the website, when someone actually click on the chat widget, or if it actually automatically open after a few seconds, then we won't actually send them a welcome message. So that particular welcome message is set up right here. And if we go back to the Sunmax Solar Solution AI bot, here we have this particular flow, Sunmax Solar Solutions AI bot. Here we have the OpenAI prompt, including all the details, and here we also have this particular AI tool or AI function called as request solar service or code, which will simply collect all the customer details. So here, if I go back to the flow section, AI functions, here we can track this particular AI function. Here, if you click on edit, here you can see we actually collect all these details from the customer as well. If you go to the web chats, we have already created a web chat as well, which is called as Sunmax Solar Solutions, but you can also use this particular free template and duplicate this one and create your own as well. So let me show that. So click on get code, and here if you click on customize, you have the option to customize the chat widget code as you like right here. You can edit the welcome message you see here, or if you don't like that, you can simply switch that off as well, simple as that. And here you can also set this particular chat widget to automatically open after a few seconds as well. So here, let me activate this particular option, because this is very useful when a particular customer is on your web page for like few seconds. Then we can automatically open this chat widget and send them a message as well. So the welcome message will be sent to them right here. So we can actually enable this function, which will be useful for us. And once you have made all these settings or customizations, if you scroll down, you will see the final chat widget code for your website. So here it will actually generate a code when you make any sort of changes right here. So you have to simply copy this code right here and install this on your website. That's it. So I have just copied this particular code, and let me actually install or create a demo landing page to install it. So here let me go back to the flow section. So here let me create a new one, and let me just say LP. And here you want to add the landing page right here, landing page, and here you have to add the code over here, and you can also add a headline as well. So let me say this particular company website, so say Sunmax Solar Solutions right here, and say website just for the demo. And now I'm going to install the code as well. So here add content code. So likewise you have to add the code element or HTML element into your website as well. So alright, I have just pasted that code. So now let me publish this one, and here let me preview this landing page and see. So this is the website, and we have actually set this chat widget to automatically open in 5 seconds. So it simply open and send me the message right here. So let me send a message. What services do you provide? So here I ask about the services they provide. Let's see how this actually responds. So it says we provide all these services, and also push me to request a personalized code as well. So let me say, yes, I'm interested in the solar battery storage system. How much would it cost? So here I'm simply provide me the basic cost, and also ask me would I like to get a personalized code as well. So let me say, yes, I'm interested. So let's see how this actually works. So here it says, to provide you with a personalized system code, please provide your full name, phone number, property address, average monthly electricity bill, and your preferred timeline for the installation. So these are the details we actually set up in the AI function to collect from a customer. So let me provide these details right here. Sure, my name is Robert John, and My phone number is 917-243-5673, and our address is number 12 New Street, New York City 10011. I'm going to provide just my name, phone number and the address. Let's see how this actually works. So it should actually ask me to prompt to provide the other details as well. So it says, "Thank you, Robert. Could you please provide me the average electricity bill and the preferred timeline for installing the solar battery system?" So here, let me provide those details as well. Sure, our electricity bill was around 600 units, and I am preferred to have it done by next week. Okay, so let me send this and see how this actually works as well. So it says, "Thank you, Robert. We have received your details and one of our agents will contact you soon." So now if you go to these particular pipelines, you should see a new lead over here. So let me go to the pipelines and let me show solar leads. It says 1, and here the customer details is right here. Robert John, the person is here, and it also assigned to one of the agents as well. So if you click on this one, you see all these details about them, and here if you click on inbox, you have the option to chat with them right there as well. If you want to check a particular customer's details, you can click on this particular icon over here and see all these details of this particular customer as well, right within this particular pipeline board as well. Otherwise, you can also access these chats through the inbox as well. So if you go to the inbox, you see this particular person is here, these are the details over here, and from this inbox as well, you can simply send any sort of messages as well. From this inbox, when you send a message to the customer, the bot will be paused as well. So currently it says the bot is active. So here in the inbox, you have human, bot and all conversation. Currently, if you go to the bot conversation, you see this particular chat. So now if I send a random message from this inbox or unified inbox, let's see what happens. So the bot is active will be disappear. All right, it gone. So now if we go to all conversation, you see the chat, but if you go to the bot conversation, that particular chat is no longer there. So now if you go to the human folder, you see this particular chat right here, and the customer will receive that particular message right there as well. The customer has received it as well. If you want to transfer the chat back to the AI, you can do that. Simply click on transfer conversation to bot. So that will transfer the conversation to the bot again, and from here, whenever a particular customer again send a message, that will be handled using the AI. And that's a quick video on how you can easily convert website visitors into leads and sales. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.